Hello and welcome to 1589 Bellamy Drive, Little River, South Carolina. Okay, we're here today to take a look at this home. It's actually most likely a teardown. Here we are, that big pine tree right there is going to be the property line to the right. And then if you walk over here to the left, I'm not 100% sure where the line ends, but I'm going to say somewhere in this range. I will get the property dimensions and post them along with this later on in the remarks. So let's take a walk down this side. I did wear my boots today because I don't want to injure an ankle or something. Okay, so there's lots of there's some hardwoods on here, tall oaks. There you go, beautiful. And it's pretty even and level. The home is built in the 30s, and it's most likely not salvageable, which is sad, as I love old construction, and it's just such a pretty area right here. So the septic line is above ground that can easily be put underground. There is a tank somewhere on the property. I have to locate that. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to check the county records, but we will get to that later as well. Now, the sewer is in the area. I have to find out if there is a sewer connection, so we're not sure that that is available, but you know, hopefully it is. So this is a wooded property, and the road that's parallel to where I'm standing is Mineola. That takes you down into Little River's waterfront, where they hold the shrimp festival, and you know, all the other fun things that you get to do in Little River area. So this is a nice sized yard. That driveway is cutting across another lot, so that is not part of this property. But the house is about 512 square feet. It's sitting on little raised foundation, I would say about 12 inches. So as it, you know, it was built in the 30s. So, and I would imagine the property line is right where that fence is. There's a couple divots like right here and one over there. Like maybe they had a fire pit or something. So that post gives me an idea that that could be the property line. And then there's another one in the ground right there, the white one, you can see it. And then there's a small shed right here. The shed looks like it's in pretty good condition. You know, like might need a little repair, but not too much. And with some cleaning up and landscaping, this could be an absolutely lovely property. I think it is manufactured home qualified, so you can put a manufactured home or a modular on this property. It is very close to downtown Little River, the waterfront. And there's shopping close by, all the new stores. It's absolutely a darling little area, close to, you know, basic needs, and far enough away where you feel like you're in the country. So this is definitely a good opportunity to get in at the $50,000 range. And you can purchase a probably manufactured home. Single wides run about, you know, 80 to 90 on the ground, and they go up from there, you know, for the basics. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me, Christine House, Century 21 Broadhurst, 609-339-0916. You can reach me on my email as well. That's yourc21agent@gmail.com. Have a great day.